Hello and welcome to the Kingdom YouTube channel. In this video we will be going over how to create a marble texture in Photoshop CC. First, create a new document. For this video, we will be using 800 by 800 sized project file at a resolution of 72. You can of course use any size you like, but make sure to set your background contents to white. Before we begin, let's set our foreground and background colors to the default black and white by clicking the icon above them. Let's also unlock our background layer by double-clicking it and selecting OK. Next, go to the filter at the top, go down to radar and select difference clouds. Then repeat this process once more to get a darker and more pronounced lines on your canvas. Next, go to the image at the top, go down to adjustments and select equalize. Then go back to image at the top, down again to adjustments, but this time select the levels. Moving only the center arrow to the right. You want to try and remove as much of the gray and leave the black veins that run through your marble texture. Once that's complete, click OK. Let's now duplicate this layer by right-clicking and selecting Duplicate Layer. With our new layer select, go to Filter at the top, down to Distort and select Twirl. Set the angle to 50 degrees and then click OK. Next, change the blend mode of the copied layer in the Layers tab to Screen. And that's our marble texture complete. But say you wanted to change the color of your marble texture veins, how would you do it? Well, it's pretty simple. You can do so by clicking on the adjustment layers icon marked by half and half circle and selecting solid color. Here you can change the color of the veins to any color you like. Then change blend mode of the new color fill layer to screen. You can find the work file we made in this video along with several others we made for previous videos in the How to Adobe series on our Patreon, starting at $1. If you have any further questions, leave a comment below and we'll be sure to answer it as soon as possible. The script for this video can be found on our Patreon. If you enjoy this video and would like to not only see them continue but improve in quality, consider supporting us on Patreon or Ko-Fi.
See you next time.